SC Verma solution. Chapter 3, question number 9. Figure 3e4 shows the graph of the x-coordinate of a particle going along the x-axis as a function of time. Find A, the average velocity during 0 to 10 seconds, B, instantaneous velocity at 2, 5, 8 and 12 seconds. Solution. Here from the graph we can see at time t is equals to 10 second, the body is at x is equals to 100 meter. Thus displacement is equals to 100 meter in this time interval. Here from the graph we can see at the time t is equals to 10 second, the body has the displacement or the position of the particle is x is equals to 100. Thus the displacement of the particle is 100 meter. Now average velocity during the time interval t is equals to 0 to t is equals to 10 second can be given as, we have the formula average velocity is equals to displacement divided by time taken. Here the displacement is 100 and the time interval is 10 seconds. Therefore the average velocity is 10 meter per second. Again, B number, instantaneous velocity at different time will be given by the slope of tangent at particular time on the xt curve. That means the slope of the tangents in this curve at various times will give the velocity, instantaneous velocity of the particle at that particular time. Thus velocity at 2 second, here the velocity at 2 second, this means 2 second may be here, then the velocity will be given by the slope of AB. Slope of AB is equals to, here the height is 50, this has the value 50 meter and it has the value 2.5 second. Therefore slope of AB will give 50 divided by 2.5 is equals to 20 meter per second. Therefore the velocity at 2 second is equals to 20 meter per second. Again the velocity at 5 second, that means the velocity at 5 second will be given by the slope of BC. Here BC is parallel to time axis, therefore its slope will be 0. Therefore the velocity at 5 second will be 0. Again velocity at 8 second, slope of CD, here the velocity of the particle at 8 seconds will be given by slope of CD. Here the height is 100 minus 50 is equals to 50, and if it be P, then CP will be 10 minus 7.5 is equals to 2.5. Therefore here 50 divided by 2.5 is equals to 20 meter per second. Here the velocities are positive because we can see here on increasing time x is increasing, therefore the velocity of at 2 second and velocity at 2.8 second is positive, are positive, because on increasing x, value of x, on increasing time the value of x is also increasing. Again velocity at 12 second will be given by velocity slope of DE. The slope of DE will give the velocity of particle at 12 second. Here we can see on increasing time the value of x is decreasing. As the value of x is decreasing on increasing time, that means the body should move in negative x-axis. Therefore here the velocity will be negative. Here the velocity at 12 seconds will be given by slope of DE is equals to, here the height is 100 and the base is, here 10 minus 15 is equals to 5 seconds. Therefore velocity at 12 seconds minus 100 divided by 5 is equals to minus 20 meter per second.